exit device right here with this piece of trim on the back. There is no detent, not even one hidden back behind the rose. Over on this side here, you'll notice that there is a screw there. I had some issues with this because the screw did not easily come off, or the screw came out, but it still wouldn't release the lever. I'm going to take the screw out. From there, you'll turn the key 90 degrees, and that'll get the tailpiece sitting vertical like this. But you'll notice that this still won't come off. So what we got to do is go in here, and the piece of metal that this screws into is actually supposed to go back and sit flat. I don't know if there was just never a spring on it, or there just never was, it wasn't designed well, let's just say. But once you get on the inside of the plastic here and push the threaded part back, you should be able to just pull this right off. So let's get in there, push that back a little bit, push it down. Maybe I don't have that vertical enough. Go ahead and push that back. There we go. Heard the little click, and then we just go boop. Comes right off. This is the worst thing ever.